हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार। आज हम एक नया टॉपिक शुरू कर रहे हैं, गाउट और यूरिक एसिड, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि गाउट के कारण क्या है और यूरिक एसिड क्यों बढ़ता है और हमारे स्वास्थ्य पर क्या असर डालता है, इससे कौन सी बीमारी होती है और इसके पैथोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग जो है क्या आते हैं और इसके डिफरेंट मोड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट डिफरेंट पैथी में क्या क्या है। सो वी सी व्हाट इज यूरिक एसिड. Uric acid is a chemical created when the body breaks down substances called purine. Purines are normally produced in the body and are also found in some foods and drinks. Foods with high content of purines include liver, ecovise, mackerel, dried beans, and peas, and beer, that is alcoholic drink. Most uric acid dissolves in blood and travels to the kidney. From there, it passes out in urine. If your body or our body produces too much uric acids or does not remove enough of it, you can get sick or diseased. A high level of uric acid in the blood is called hyperuricemia. Increased level of uric acid in blood is called hyperuricemia. यूरिक एसिड का लक्षण क्या होता है, हमें कैसे मालूम पड़ता है कि ये बढ़ा हुआ है। हाई यूरिक एसिड के कारण जोड़ों में तेज दर्द, अपच, इंडाइजेशन, घुटनों में सूजन, पेन इन स्वेलिंग, पेन इन जॉइंट्स और इन्फ्लामेशन, बार बार पेशाब होना जैसी समस्याएं हो सकती है। यूरिक एसिड बढ़ने के कारण कभी कभी अनुवांशिक कारकों के कारण भी, अनुवांशिक कारकों जेनेटिक कैरेक्टर्स और डिसऑर्डर्स के कारण भी बॉडी में यूरिक एसिड बढ़ जाता है। नॉर्मल वैल्यूज रेंजेज बिटवीन 3.5 to 7.2 मिलीग्राम पर डेसीलीटर mg per dl. Normal value ranges may vary slightly among different laboratories. Talk to your provider about the meaning of your specific test result. The example above show the common measurement range for result for these tests. Some laboratories use different measurement or may test different specimen. Causative factor for gout. Gout is normally cleaned out of the blood by the kidney. Uric acid, common factors of gout. Uric acid is normally cleaned out of the blood by the kidneys and passes out of the body along with urine. However, high level of uric acid can accumulate in the body either when the kidney excrete too little uric acid, when the body produces too much uric acid. This condition is known as hyperuricemia. The main causes are genetic, weight, eating high protein foods, other health problems. So genetics, an estimated 20 to 80% of people with gout have a family history of gout. Weight, being overweight increases risk. Drinking too much alcohol keeps the body from removing uric acid. Eating high purine food can lead to gout, flare or make them worse. These foods include asparagus, beef kidneys, brain, dried beans and peas, game meats, that is deer, gravy, herring, that is fish, liver, mackerel, liver, mackerel, that is fish, mushroom, sardines, scallops, that is fish, and sweet bread. Other health problem, Other health problem that may contribute to gout include high blood pressure, hypothyroidism, psoriasis, hemolytic anemia, or some cancers. Keeler-Sigmiller syndrome, that is partial deficiency of the enzyme hypoxanthine guanine phosphorybosyl transferase. Les syndrome and some inherited disorders. Diuretics. These are taken to ease high blood pressure, edema, and heart disease. They also decrease the amount of uric acid passed in the urine. Usage of some drug like salicylate containing drugs, niacin, cyclosporin, and levodopa. How does colchicine work for gout, acute gout? Colchicine is an alternative treatment for gout attacks for those people who cannot take anti-inflammatory painkillers. It works by reducing the number of white blood cells which travel into the inflamed areas. This helps break the cycle of inflammation and reduces the swelling and pain of the gout attack. Different pathological findings or lab findings. Synovial fluid test. Synovial fluid is a liquid found in our body joints. This test looks at whether you have urate crystal in the joint fluid, which could mean you have gout. This is considered the most accurate test for diagnosing gout. A synovial fluid test only takes a few minutes to complete. It may first be given anesthesia, a medicine to numb the area through a shot using a small needle. Once the area is numb, your doctor or nurse will place a larger needle in the affected joints and take a sample of the fluid. If you have received anesthesia, you should not feel much pain. Uric acid blood test. A blood test can check the level of uric acid in your body. A high level of uric acid could mean you have gout. A uric acid level in the blood between 3.5 to 7.2 milligram per deciliter is considered normal for most people. When you have gout, doctors recommend your uric acid level stay below 6.0 mg per dl. Uric acid blood test should not be used alone when diagnosing gout. This is because some people with the high uric acid will never get gout, and some people with low uric acid do not low uric acid do get gout. Doctors use the result of other tests together with the uric acid test to confirm whether you have gout or not. Uric acid urine test. A urine test can check the level of uric acid in your body. A high level of uric acid could mean you have gout. The urine sample should be taken over 24 hours. A uric acid level in the urine between 250 to 750 mg is considered normal for most people. Like a uric acid blood test, a uric acid urine test will not be used alone when diagnosing gout. Instead, doctor use the result of other tests together with the uric acid test to confirm whether you have gout or not. Joint X-ray. Your doctor may take an X-ray of your joint to make sure your joint pain is not being caused by an injury or something other than gout. If you have chronic gout, your doctor may suggest a joint X-ray to see if you have any joint damage caused by gout. Ultrasound. An ultrasound machine uses sound wave to create images of the muscle and joints inside your body. Your doctor may use an ultrasound to look for urate crystals or tophi in your joints. Dual energy CT scan DECT. A DECT scan uses two types of X-ray to take picture of the inside your body. A DECT scan can find urate crystal that other tests cannot. This test is useful when the other test cannot tell for sure if you have gout. Treatment of gout in alternative medicine. Red color water or hydrotherapy. Red color water at morning and evening. Yellow color water before meal. Put orange light on the affected joint for 15 minutes. Massage blue color sesame oil in lower back joint and green color oil on knee, heel, wrist and elbow in circles at morning and evening. So, preparation of color water is depends upon your practice in the shade of different colors. What abnormal results mean? Greater than normal level of uric acid, hyperuricemia may be due to acidosis, alcoholism, chemotherapy related side effect, dehydration, diabetes, excessive exercise, hypoparathyroidism, lead poisoning, leukemia, medullary cystic kidney disease, polycythemia vera, purine rich diet, renal failure, toxemia of pregnancy, Fanconi syndrome, hereditary disease of metabolism, HIV infection, liver disease, low purine diet, medicines such as fenofibrate, isoretin, and trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone secretion. Other reasons this test may be performed include chronic kidney disease, gout, injury of the kidney and ureter, kidney stone that is nephrolithiasis. Alternative names are gout, uric acid in blood, hyperuricemia, uric acid in urine. Dietary changes. Which type of diet or dietary changes we take in gout or for prevention of gout? Drink more water and other non-alcoholic fluids. Drink less alcohol, especially beer. Eat less meat. Limit high purine meat and seafood. Limit added sugar and sodas. Increase intake of fruit, vegetable, legumes and whole grains. Homeopathic remedies: colchicum, benzoic acid, Arnica montana, Ledum pal, belladonna, Berberis vulgaris, Bryonia, Calcarea flor, Rhododendron rustex, and other medicine also used according to indications. Age and sex. Your doctor may recommend one of these medicine that you cannot get over the counter. Allopurinol reduces acid production, uric acid production. Colchicine reduces inflammation. Febuxotate reduce uric acid production. Indomethacin is a stronger niacid painkiller. So, in this way, in short, we try to introduce about uric acid and gout, its normal process of production in different disease conditions, different lab findings, treatment and management in view of diet, alternative medicine, homeopathy and allopathy. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. You give me a comment for new required topic.